Jeffy,
What?
it's time to eat your green beans. Jeffy, you have to eat your green beans.
Why?
Because they're good for you, Jeffy.
Jeffy, what's wrong? You seem to be very angry.
I hate green beans! I'll never eat green beans!
Oh.
It's time for your bath.
The answer is 8. Take away the 4, so the 4's not there anymore. And then what you have left, the answer is 8.
No, Jeffy, the answer is 4.
These pants, Joel! These pants! My unibrow! The answer is f***ing 8! You take away the f***ing 4, so it's not there anymore. And then you have 8, and that's left. So you got 8 minus 4, take it the f*** away, and then put a line underneath it. The answer is 8! F*** it!
Jeffy, that's it. You're grounded.